2D drawing improvement. In CADbro 2019, we add some view functions, such as standard view, section view, and so on in 2D drawing. Click 2D Sheet command to access the 2D drawing. You can import the predefined template. Now, insert a standard view. Of course, you can select different views in different scales, as well as decide to display the label or not. Then, create a projection view in an auxiliary view. Then, create a section view. At the same time, create a view of cropping based on the section view. As for the detail view, define the zoom area. Place the view, modify the label, then click OK. After the optimization, you can get a result like this.